Oh man, I got a date with Devin tonight and I don't know what to wear. Wait. I know what to wear. Perfect! Let's see how Devin likes this. Let's see what she says. Let's see what she says. What's up?
Why are y'all dressed up?
Isn't this a date?
No.
Oh, shit. Well, I feel like an asshole. Home now, after seeing Black Swan, and have to say, that was the best movie I've ever seen about obsessive masturbation. That's the joke. Big flock of ducks right here. Get out of the way! Look out! Ah, I can't stop! Get out of the way! Oh, you guys shit all over the floor. That's not nice. Just eat your grass. Damn ducks sitting all over the floor. Shitting in the pool. The lake. Well, guess who missed their bus? This guy. They don't need glasses. Everything happens for a reason. I missed the bus. I went to the mall instead, and I found a puppy there outside at the bus stop there. And it was a really cute puppy, and it was just running around the bus stop. And I was like, well, he's gonna get hit. And so I called him over, and he came gladly, and he ran to me, and he jumped on to the bench I was sitting on, and I just kept petting him until I called animal control. And I called animal control, and they came right away to pick him up, and I saved a puppy's life. Yeah! Puppies! Cool motorcycle. Puppy. I saved a puppy's life. Yes. I'm chasing Luna. Oh, Luna, I'm chasing you. Oh, I'm chasing you. Where are you? There you are. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Go, Luna. Oh. I'm here with Thomas, and we're at the mall. We're going to Dillard's, to pick up some cool hats, like fedoras. Right, Thomas?
No.
Hell yeah. Sweet, found what I'm looking for. Premium leather fedora. Alright, we're good. What?
Did you inform YouTube?
Yes, I did, that
Good.
we're going to the Big 4 concert. Yeah. Right there, on your shirt, that's 1. Yeah. That's 2 on mine. And, Metallica and Anthrax. Oh, it's beautiful! So are you.
Alright, are you coming with your mom?
No.
Why not?
Fuck you, you wanna die?
Do you wanna die, motherfucker? You're gonna die like how I'm gonna die. I'm gonna fuck you up like I'm gonna fuck your mom's pussy up.
Oh, fuck you, Tomas. I'm gonna beat the shit out of your arm.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of you. I'm gonna beat the shit out of your mom's pussy too. I'm gonna be thinking of you while I'm doing it, motherfucker. I'm gonna be sitting there pounding on that shit. Oh, you hear that, Josh?
I'm gonna tell you how
That shit's gonna be clapping pretty soon. You didn't hear her walking in like at 3 o'clock in the morning, and you hear like a shitload of claps. That's gonna be your mom walking in. That's how loose she's gonna be. Let's see you when you get home, Josh.
Loud music. Pick it up with Sons fans. If you guys want to help out a little bit, just go ahead and shout it out if you know something. B! You said B.
Oh yeah!
Let's take a look at Sun's vision and see if she's a winner.
Get up.
Jesse, what are you doing?
Get up. You coming with me.
What? I'm not going up.
You coming with me.
I'm not going in. Okay. Congratulations.
Hey, you're welcome!
TV movie star. Give it up for Mr. Common. Chris Common in town for the big game tomorrow.
Thomas? Who's Common? I don't know. He's black, that's all we need to know. Done with the Suns game. Suns won. Right, Thomas? Suns won? Yeah. And, we're at Denny's now. Thomas got pancakes. What's that? That's still And, Thomas got pancakes. And I didn't get anything but a water. You know why? Because I'm healthy. Here at the Arizona Mills Mall, Thomas and I are looking for... What are we looking for?
Nothing.
What are we looking for?
Nothing.
We're looking for her. Alright, good. Done. Now we can walk around. Now Thomas and I are leaving. It seemed like a second to you guys that we just got here, but to us it was actually like 2 or 3 hours. So... Yeah, exactly. Yeah.